All right, so you may be too young to remember this, but savings accounts used to be a decent place to actually stash your cash. In the 1980s, savings rates rose to a peak of 8%. And that's right, guys, you could have actually gotten 8% from a savings account. We haven't seen that in a long, long time, but it didn't last long as deregulation caused deposit interest rates to remain higher than what financial institutions could sustainably support. And that resulted in banking failures throughout the decade. Now, during the 1990s, savings accounts rates significantly decreased, typically ranging between 4% and 5%. And after the financial crisis of 2008, savings accounts interest rates hit historic lows, falling below 0.25%. And they've remained low ever since. Well, that is until Apple announced its new savings account, which offers an annual percentage yield of 4.15%. That's right. You can now get over 4% from a savings account today. So we're going to be diving into this new savings account in today's video. Make sure you stick around. All right. I'm not going to lie. This was a pretty surprising thing to read about on Monday morning. Apple, the company of iPod and iPhone, they've launched an Apple Card savings account, and that has an annual percentage rate yield right now of 4.15%. This new savings account is actually being launched in partnership with Goldman Sachs, and it offers a high APY in comparison to the national average of just 0.24%. However, competing savings accounts from large credit unions, online banks, and brick and mortar banks, they can also offer significant APYs. For example, CIT Bank, they offer a savings account with a 4.75% APY. Now that is when customers deposit a minimum of $5,000. They also offer a savings account with a 4.5 APY when you deposit a minimum of $100. Goldman Sachs offers a 3.9% APY with no minimum balance through their Marcus Online savings account, and Capital One's 360 Performance savings account has no minimum balance either, and they offer users a 3.5% APY at the time this video was made. Now, the new Apple savings account also requires no minimum deposit or balance, and it can be set up directly from the Wallet app on your iPhone, making it very convenient. As an added perk, all daily cash rewards earned through the Apple Card will automatically be deposited into the savings account, allowing users to build on their earnings and compound that APY. Apple Card savings account users can actually manage their accounts through a dashboard. It appears in the Apple Wallet as well. From there, you can track your interest and account balances. You can withdraw your funds and even change where your daily cash rewards are going to be deposited. Overall, I would say the Apple Card savings account offers a competitive APY and convenient features for Apple Card users. And to be honest, I'm still not always the biggest fan of savings accounts in general, but there's certainly much more reason to go with a savings account that gives you over 8 times the national average. I think that goes without saying. So for anybody wondering why I'm not a big fan of savings accounts, make sure you check out the video that pissed off many of the Dave Ramsey faithful. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description below, or you can watch it by clicking the link at the top of your screen. So what do I think of this move by Apple? Well, I do think that they've designed some helpful tools, as usual, for folks to track their spending habits in a far more intuitive way than the other banks out there are doing it at this point. It's really overcomplex traditionally when banks are trying to make every aspect of doing business with them too hard. So I really like how Apple has attempted to simplify things, and they do so in a way where the account owner is as clear as possible about where they stand financially. What do you guys think of Apple's new savings account? Will you be amongst the first to open an account with them and take advantage of this high APY? I'm interested to hear your thoughts in the comments below. As always, I do appreciate you watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video with anybody that you think would benefit from it, and most importantly, make it a great day today and keep on cash flowing. We'll see you soon.